Welcome to Graceland Online Tutorial. Our topic today is proof of quadratic formula. Proof of quadratic formula. To prove a quadratic formula of a quadratic equation, we are going to use this general formula. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And to prove a quadratic formula, we're going to make use of the completing the square method. We'll make use of the completing the square method to prove the quadratic formula. Now, let's go back to the general formula. Ax squared plus bs plus c is equal to 0. Now, the first step is to do away with the a, which is the coefficient of x squared. Now, all we want to do there is to make the coefficient of x squared 1. Now, to do that, divide each of the terms in the equation by a. Now, ax squared over a will cancel a and we'll be left with x squared plus bx over a will be plus b over ax plus c over a is going to be plus c over a, which is equal to 0 over a. 0 over a will still give 0, and that will be equal to 0. The next step, we are going to subtract the constant term c over a from both sides. The constant term is c over a. Subtract it from both sides. So we have x squared plus b over ax plus c over a minus c over a is equal to 0 minus c over a. Now, what is the result? X squared plus b over ax. Now, c over a minus c over a is 0. So we'll rule that out, which is equal to 0 minus c over a. 0 minus c over a is minus c over a. Now, the next step, add the square of half of the coefficient of s. Now, from here, from the equation we have here, plus b over ax, the coefficient of x there is b over a. Like I said, the coefficient of x is b over a, and half of b over a is going to be b over a times 1 over 2, which is half. And that is equal to b times 1 is b, and a times 2 is 2a. And one more thing for that, the square of that b over 2a. The square of b over 2a is b over 2a in bracket squared. Now we are going to have b over 2a in bracket squared to both sides. So that is going to be x squared plus b over ax plus b over 2a in bracket squared is equal to minus c over a plus b over 2a in bracket squared. Let's simplify the right hand side further. Now, minus c over a plus b over 2a squared. Now, b times b will be b squared. Then 2a times 2a is going to be 4a squared. We still need to simplify further by finding the LCM of a and then 4a squared, which are the denominators. Now, the LCM of a and 4a squared is 4a squared. Now, a in 4a squared is 4a. You are going to multiply 4a by the numerator minus c, which is going to give us minus 4ac, plus 4a squared in 4a squared. That will be 1. 1 times b squared is going to give us b squared. So what we have now is s squared plus b over ax plus b over 2a in bracket squared is equal to minus 4ac plus b squared over 4a squared. Now, let's factor the perfect square on the left and then equate it to the expression on the right. This is where completing the square comes in. Now, s squared plus b over as plus b over 2a in bracket or in bracket squared is going to be x. From the s squared, you pick 1. From the b over 2a squared, you also pick b over 2a. Then all together squared. If you expand s plus b over 2a in bracket squared, you are going to get s squared plus b over ax plus b over 2a in bracket squared. Now, s plus b over 2a in bracket squared will be equal to, now look at this, minus 4ac plus b squared can also be written as b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Now, let's take the square root of both sides. The square root of s plus b over 2a in bracket squared is going to be s plus b over 2a, which is equal to plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Let's simplify that further, since we can find the square root of the denominator, which is 4a squared. Now, this is going to be plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over the square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of a squared is a. So which means we have s plus b over 2a is equal to plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now, let's subtract b over 2a from both sides, so we can have x, Now, this is going to be s plus b over 2a minus b over 2a is equal to minus b over 2a plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, now that is going to give us x plus b over 2a minus b over 2a will give us 0. So we rule that out. We are left with only s, which is equal to minus b over 2a plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Let's make that a single fraction by finding the LCM of the two denominators, the 2a and then 2a. The LCM of 2a and 2a is also 2a. So 2a is 2a is 1. Then 1 times the numerator minus b will give us minus b. Plus or minus 2a in 2a is also 1. Multiplied by the square root of b squared minus 4ac will give us the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Now, the quadratic formula, which is also known as the general formula, will now be x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. That brings us to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel at Graceland Tutorial. Like this video and share the video. Success is yours.